Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix display not working problem in your Samsung device. If your display stuck or some of the application not work, you have to press 2 to 3 times and it's still like frozen. Then how you can solve it in your Samsung smartphone? First you have to clear storage in your smartphone. If your storage is full, it will definitely hang and do a freeze. So first you have to release some of the application, documents, photos, videos, files from your storage that are unwanted and unuseful. Then second, you have to just update your software. If there is any software update, it will fix bugs and hanging problem in your smartphone. And don't overcharge your smartphone, and if you are playing games while charging your smartphone, it will affect the display also. It will definitely hang or it freeze the display of your smartphone, and this is how you can fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.